Step into the unknown, Mystery Seeker, where the mystery unfolds. In northern Tanzania lies one of the strangest lakes on earth. At first glance, it looks beautiful, glowing with shades of red and orange, but this lake hides a secret that has shocked scientists and travelers alike. This is Lake Natron, a place so unusual that animals found here sometimes appear to be turned into stones. For decades, this mysterious phenomenon has fascinated the world. Flamingos gather here in huge numbers, covering the lake in pink waves of movement. Surprisingly, this harsh environment is one of the few places where they can safely breed. But the lake itself is far from ordinary. The water of the lake Natron is extremely alkaline, meaning it contains powerful natural chemicals dissolved from surrounding volcanic rocks. These minerals slowly build up in the water, creating conditions that are too extreme for most animals to survive. The lake's chemistry can be harsh enough to preserve anything that falls into it. From a distance, the lake looks peaceful, reflecting the sky like a mirror, but beneath the calm surface like a chemical environment unlike almost anywhere else on earth. Along the shoreline, thick layers of salt and minerals from strange patterns, these white crusts stretch across the ground like frozen waves. Occasionally, birds that accidentally fall into the lake are preserved by the mineral rich water. Over time, their bodies became stiff and coated with salt. This natural process can make animals appear almost statue-like. Images of these preserved birds once spread across the internet, leaving people shocked and confused. The phenomenon made many believe the lake could somehow turn living creatures into stone instantly, but the truth is more complex and just as fascinating. The water of Lake Natron can reach a pH level close to that of strong cleaning substances. Few organisms can survive such an environment for long. At night, the lake becomes even more mysterious under the moonlight. The red surface reflects the sky, creating an eerie and otherworldly scene. Despite its extreme conditions, Lake Natron plays an important role in nature. It provides a safe breeding ground for millions of flamingos every year. These birds have adapted to the harsh environment. Their tough skin and unique biology allow them to survive where most other animals cannot. But not every creature is so lucky. Smaller animals and birds sometimes become trapped by the lake's chemistry and mineral deposits. Over time, minerals from the water coat their bodies, slowly preserving them. The result is a haunting sight, animals that appear frozen in time. For photographers and researchers, Lake Natron offers a rare glimpse into one of the nature's strangest environments. Images of preserved birds posed along the shoreline once shocked the world, making the lake famous for its mysterious reputation. Yet, despite its strange appearance, the lake is not a supernatural place. Its secrets are explained by the powerful natural chemistry. Still standing near the water, it's easy to understand why people feel uneasy. The landscape feels almost alien. The bright red colors come from special microorganisms that thrive in the extreme environment, giving the lake its unusual glow. Animal footprints leading towards the water sometimes vanish along the salty shore, adding to the lake's mysterious atmosphere. Scientists continue to study this remarkable place, hoping to better understand how life can survive in such extreme conditions. Lake Natron reminds us that nature can be both beautiful and dangerous at the same time. What appears to be a peaceful lake is actually one of the most chemically intense bodies of water on earth. At sunrise, the lake glows like liquid fire beneath the rising sun, creating one of the most surreal landscapes on the planet. Along the edges, strange mineral formations continue to grow, constantly reshaping the lake's unique shoreline. Thousands of flamingos return here every year, making Lake Natron one of the most important breeding grounds in the world. Even today, the lake remains a place that a few people truly understand. Lake Natron stands as one of the Earth's strangest natural wonders, a place where science explains the mystery, but the atmosphere still feels otherworldly. Thanks for watching Mystery Seekers. where mysteries unfold and get unlocked.